Hello guys, this is the one of the tutorial that will help you to make your own templates for YouTube thumbnails. So I'm using Canva, one of the best app to make your own template. First of all, you will have to sign in. So I'm searching for it. Sign up with email. You have sign up with Facebook or your Google's. Yeah, name Max Universe, email ID Rocky Singh. rockySingh.captain2018@gmail.com. And now come from the email. Instead of writing the whole again, I will just copying it. Now enter your password, whatever you use. For prevention of artificial intelligence, I'm not a robot. You just click the Fical's photos for signing up. It's a new method in Google services because the most robots just contains or possess the artificial intelligence. They can use anything. So that's why they're verifying yourself that you are not a robot. You are just a man like me. Now sign up. I'm not a robot. Yeah, I'm not. Never. And last starting creating beautiful design. So just let it look. Take a look. Sorry. It's not our task. I don't want to invite anyone else. Just go back. If you want to invite, you can. I don't. Yeah, here we go. Create your own design. More. I want more. Don't you want? Just click, man. Yeah. Here are several designs, social media posts, documents, blogging. I'm here searching for YouTube thumbnails. Where can I find this one? Social media. Where it is? Just take a look. So we have done. Finally we got in. Yeah. Just choose from there. Layouts. I should have my mouse. I'm just using pad. That's why it's difficult to use pad on your laptop. Yeah, hood suit. I just searching for a image icon of hood suit and not the website. I'm just watching for images. Now again write hood suit. Images. This one, not this one. Just that pose. Yeah. Look nice. So here I am downloading this because I will use this in my template. So there is something I'm gonna show you in my what I am searching here. What is it for? Yeah, food soup. Add a new page. No, I don't want so. You can text, you can zoom the size, you can select the background, you can upload your own photo, or you can upload photo of canvas. Canva is the most beautiful app that will allow you access more than 60 thousands of templates. Just enjoy the creative things you want to make. Background, elements. Here you can see several things, several options, tools you can use. Free photos. There are the free photos you can use. You don't have to pay for them. Text adding, you can add text of styles also. You can add colors, background to it. Yeah, what I'm doing. Yeah. If you want to take online help, just click on help. And now furthermore, get started. Introduction to account setup. These are the several helps that will make you or let you know about the canvas. Add your photo illustrations. You can also search for element based on their keywords. Yeah, I really appreciate that. As mentioned, you also have an option to use to upload your own photos. Yeah, format photo illustrations. Yeah, just go back, browse, template. There is search bar. 15,000, not 15, 50,000 templates. Creating your old designs. Yeah, new brand, your brand. Max Anniversary team. Yeah, looks cool. Search YouTube thumbnails. This is the main task of ours. We did waste our most of the time on searching. I'm just gonna finishing it. You know, we have less time. The videos takes so much time. So just for knowing you about the creating how to create your own template, I'm just using this one. I will use this template to my next video. You will see. You can edit. Shoot.com. Yeah. Creating your own home office. I'm not creating my home office. I'm just account removal and password reset. Yeah, this is my template for my video. Yeah. You have enough time to search your own template. Yeah, finally we now upload the photo that we had upload. My downloaded photo is here. Let's go. Yeah, just add. It looks nice. It's just wondering me. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Yeah. Oh, I'm having fun to make this template. That's why I'm using so many latest words, because I'm happy. To be a happy man in this world is matters. Most of people in the world go through the roles in their life, but I'm not. They need to be happy for living their life. I don't. I have everything. Yeah, hold tight, preparing your design. Yeah, I'm holding, but not tight. Yeah, we have done. Android. I won't give you my phone number. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Just click bell icon for more